Hello, Pretty Geek family, and welcome to another unboxing. I had canceled the Toucanbox, and then there was a chance to get one at a discount, which I will leave the link for you below. And of course, we had to get it. So, yeah, let's see what's inside. There's a honeybee and bamboo beehive. Oh, neat. So it's wax sticks to make a bumblebee. And, oh, neat. It's a real beehive. So we can make a pretend bee and a real beehive. We can make a house for the bees. Yeah. Let's see. And, oh, this is a fun one. A dinosaur mask and tail to put together and decorate. This little color activity. How fun. Yeah. Do you want to paint a bumblebee? Yeah. So it has a paper mask and a... Yeah, absolutely. And a cloth, and cloth tail. So both sets come in their own little bags, and as always has all of the materials inside, which is so exciting. Plus, each one has their own themed sticker. And in addition to it, each month we get a sheet of stickers with the silly little Bonisa stickers with their silly little mascot. Plus, there is a tiny box. So there's a little magazine inside with little activities, a lot of coloring. Following directions for STEAM. That's pretty cool. Let's see, we have activities and coloring. And there's our recipe. Our recipe is a sandwich. I can handle that. It makes a little Scully sandwich. Do you like the little Scully sandwich? Yeah. Yeah? And of course, the kids of the box. So if you've never heard of Toucanbox before, it is a STEAM crate for kids. It's usually for ages 3 to 7-ish. You coming? And Bo is very nearly 2. She's going to be 2 on Friday. Yeah. And we really like it. Some of the things are a little bit advanced, but there's the box. The box was the surprise. You're right. And they're really cool because they integrate science and engineering themes with super fun art projects and working on math. You got a box. You want to take the box? Yeah. And it comes all the way from the UK, which makes really good time for being shipped Royal Mail through the USPS. And yeah, so I will put my code below. Otherwise, type in Brittany, BRITTANY -FMHB, and you can get your first box for free. And if you don't want more boxes after that, you can cancel. Yeah, I think that's all I got for you. Okay, I love you so much. We're gonna go make stuff. All right, there you go. Hey, baby, what you got to say?
Mommy, hold you.
I am holding you. Yeah. Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah, dance for me. Oh, yeah. That's a very slappy dance.
Got fan on.
We do have a fan on. You're right. Are you ready to make something cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to start with
Paint bumblebee.
Gonna paint a bumblebee? All right, we're gonna go paint a bumblebee. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You flying? Oh my. What did Bumblebee say? That's right, they go bzzz. Bzzz.
That's silly.
So silly. Does he have silly eyes?
Eyes.
Yeah. Oh my, you pull his eyeballs off? That's okay, he's kind of got backup eyeballs. That's okay.
One minute.
Buzz. Buzz.
Wow.
Is he bopping people with his stinger bomb?
Popping people.
Oh my goodness.